React is a top JavaScript library for building dynamic and interactive web applications. It is a perfect choice for developers because of its fast performance, scalability, and ease of use. In this course, I will teach you React from the very beginning by building a real web project on practice and explain all the React fundamentals step by step in details. This is a crash practical course made with love. It won't take too much of your time like other courses. My main focus will be on teaching you only practical and real things you will need. To make learning easier for you, I will try to explain all the terms in the simplest way possible. The goal of this course is to help you become a React developer and feel more confident in building interactive and dynamic web applications on React. I am Dmitro Vasilyev, a senior front-end engineer with more than 9 years of professional experience in developing web applications, and I will be your instructor for this course. No React knowledge or experience required. I will teach you React from the very beginning. All you need is a basic knowledge of JavaScript. But even if you don't have this knowledge, you can find some useful resources I prepared especially for you to be more prepared for this course much better. So, if you're ready to become a React developer and start building your first web application, just click Enroll. I look forward to starting this journey together with you and teaching you React with this course.